everyone and welcome. So today I'm coming on to show you what I have made for my hashtag WS Art Club page. The prompt that Wally Steph pulled out this time was Stencil, and I had a lot of fun making this page. So I have done lots of different types of stenciling. In the background I did some ink stenciling, so I used a stencil and then I just went over it with some colours of pinks, greens, blues and yellows, and they blended so lovely together. And then on top of that I went with a different stencil, which is like a cracked look, and I used this gilding polish, this metallic gilding polish, and just sponged that through the stencil to create that there. And then the other part of stenciling that I've done is I stamped my stamp. I used this Jamie Doherty Bloom stamp. It's just a small one, it's a mini one, and I stamped it out. And then what I did, I took a Sharpie and then I just went over it, because I thought stenciling is also, you know, a way of like tracing round an actual image. So I kind of created my own arty version of this stamp. So if you like compare the two, just added in a few more details and then coloured it in with some really bright colours using the alcohol markers, and then I just went over it with a white gel pen just to highlight some areas. And then I just added the sentiment here, attitude, just pop that up on a dot and cut out a wiggly line rather than a straight one, just to add to its quirkiness and colourfulness. I actually really enjoyed doing this prompt. I was a bit unsure at first, but it turns out really well, and I love how vibrant and bright and fun this stencil prompt was. So I will leave Wally Steph's YouTube channel link in the description box below, and you can also use the hashtag if you'd like to go and see everyone else's and see what they made for this prompt. And yeah, it's super cool and fun, and I think I'm actually going to be making another book for next time, because I am just like a couple of pages towards the end and it's got quite chunky. So after I've put this one in, I'm probably going to make a new book, and I am contemplating to try another size. I went from a 4x4 to it's not a 6x6, it's about 5.5, but the book is 6x6. So I'm thinking about different sizes this time round, and I'm actually thinking about dropping the dolls and just trying some new things. So lots of things to think about. The prompts are pulled out on the 1st and the 15th of the month. So yeah, here's my art page for the prompt stencils for the hashtag WS Art Club. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon. Bye.